Hazrat Tawbatul Ambari states that Shabi told me, have not you observed that Imam Hasan Basri radiyallahu anhu reported this hadith autonomously from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He replied, I have enjoyed the company of Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu for 2.5 years, and I did not hear him reporting any hadith from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, says this one. He then stated some of the Prophet's companions, including Hazrat Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas radiyallahu anhu, were present, so they were just going to start eating when one of the Prophet's wives called out, it is the flesh of liguana. So they at once desisted. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, eat or consume, for it is lawful. Or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is no harm in it. The transmitter is doubtful about it, but I don't eat it. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7267.